touchy. Hey guys, Kapper here. Guess what? I am at the Equip show in Kentucky, Louisville. It's October 18th, 23. I'm gonna check out the new KIOTI skid steer. I got my buddy Joe the farmer here. Let me hop in there, Joe. Let's check this thing out. I would love to try one of these babies out. Oh, nice. Nice. It's got the overhead door, which is always cool. I have had one with the door that opens, and this is cool overhead. Wow. I actually saw one of these in use literally in the last week. The guy that bought our 112 acre farm, he actually just bought one of these brand new. He had a mulcher head on it, and I asked him how he liked it. He was cutting new roads for one of the property pieces that we sold off, and he said he loves it. He said it's built like a tank. So far the rollout seems really successful. A lot of switches and buttons, but you got the full cab, heat and air, full HVAC. Let's check out this door here. All right, what did you do?
So there's a little thumb.
Oh, there, it's a lock.
There's little thumb latches on each side.
All right, yep.
There you go.
So it's got a lock plus the thumb latches. Oh, nice. I like it. This is cool. It's very roomy. Top of my head, I got at least, what, 5-6 inches up there. Very roomy. And I'm 6'5", of course, and with boots on and a hat, you add a couple more inches. But this is cool. And then you got these additional side latches up here. 2 thumbs up so far. Seatbelt on for it to run, or
you put your seatbelt on as well.
Okay.
Yep. And you pull your arms down. Go ahead and start it.
What's float mode?
Float would be just all the way forward.
Sure.
If you see it right here, see how you just push it twice and it puts it in the float.
Oh, 2 arrows. Okay. Just hit it.
Yep. And then if you can use a foot throttle or your throttle.
Okay. All right. All right, I'm gonna close the window just for the audio. Touchy. All right, I'm gonna try float mode. Plenty of juice. Not bad. I'd love to get to demo one of these babies. Oh man. Bad. Let's see if this 4-in-1 will open up. Man, it's definitely snappy. It's a little bit loud. But it's been a while since I've been in a skid steer, so Just make it a quick one. Got people waiting in line here. But nice little demo.